In the previous videos in this series, you saw me repair the dam, fixing the holes in the core and putting in an overflow. In this video, you'll see the effects of heavy rainfall. Start the day with a trickle of water flowing through the overflow pipe because the dam's full. The rains fall all day, the neighbour's dam overflows, and by the end of the day, there's a huge amount of water flowing out of the overflow pipe. So I arrive at the land on a cold and wet day. It's been several months since I completed the works on the dam, and when I arrive I see that the overflow is just slightly flowing. There's a small trickle of water flowing through there, and everything seems to be okay. Everything seems to be working well. I spend most of the morning working another part of the land, doing some log splitting. The rain continues to fall all day, to the point where the area that I'm working in ends up with water flowing down the hill, flowing down the steps, and flooding the work area that I've got. As you can see, it's a lot of water that's flowing down into the valley, so I head down there to have a look just to see how much water is down there. So the amount of water that I see flowing in the valley, heading towards the neighbour's dam, makes me realise there's a huge amount that's actually flowing from my dam as well. So I head back up the valley to have a look and see how much water's coming out of my dam. Once I get to the dam, I realise there's a strong flow coming out of the overflow, but I also have a lot of water still flowing into the valley from the hills on either side. The rains have continued to fall, and late in the afternoon I head back to the dam to have a look on the upside to see how much water is flowing in from the neighbour's dam. And as you can see, it's a huge amount of water. The neighbour's dam is full and overflowing, and all that surplus is now heading into my dam. So as you can see here, with all that water flowing in, the dam is very, very full. The overflow pipe there is almost at capacity, and the side channel spillway has also started having water flowing through it. This spillway prevents water flowing over the top of the dam wall. So the wind and rain is relentless, and what you'll see here is what flows into the dam as it flows. You'll see the overflow pipe almost at capacity. I'm really pleased I installed the tin sheets that were used as a chute. We've certainly stopped any erosion of the back of the dam wall. As you'll see here, the volume of water has washed away the soil right at the very base of the dam wall. I need to install a dissipator pad in the future. So I think we can say this project's a success. The dam now holds water, the overflow works, and the side spillway works when it's needed.